Hi folks, my name is Tom.Peterson and I'm proud to do a video presentation for you today on this Sundance product that we have exclusivity through Oregon. On our relationship with them, we can take it to all these different shows that we go to. It's a fantastic product, it's priced right, it's aluminum frame, it's got the fiberglass sidewalls, it's got a crown ceiling inside. We'll show you a lot of those features as well. It's a Model 312, it's a 2019 model year. Just got it in, it's a newer model, and it's got a lot of space inside, and it's got a lot of room. And if you want to go out there with your kids and your family and your grandkids, what a great opportunity to do it. It's a beautiful time to be out and visiting our countrysides and all of our parks and all that stuff to go do. It's a great opportunity. Let me show you some nice features on the inside, and we'll finish on the outside. In your main living area here, you're going to have your super slide out. That includes your couch and your booth dinette to sit at. Your couch and everything can also jackknife into a quick little folding bed that way. And then you have a big bed you have here as well. This has the optional fold down. I like that. It's got USB connections in there, so you can be charging your devices if you want to as well. In the main area here where you spend most of your hours, you got a 6 cubic foot refrigerator here. And then you're going to have the newer style of the range top and oven, which I like the way all that folds and the way that sits as well too. Has a nice finish to it. When we look under here, it'll see it's got a farm style single sink, and it's got nice deep depth to it. It's nice and quiet. You've also got a nice pull down faucet here. A lot of newer things you get with these newer trailers nowadays. It has the optional chrome finishes on your hood and also on your microwave here. Storage above, you're going to see there's some good storage there. It's got the crown ceiling I mentioned to you, so it makes it nice and strong as far as that goes, and less likelihood to have any sag when you've got that nice curve to it. You've got storage above here, and many companies won't put a little shock on there, but you see they have those to help hold those up. When you go back into the other parts of it, you'll see there's a bathroom on the way, and the bathroom does have a doorway out so kids can run in and out of there. You got a shower that's inside, easy to deal with, a nice skylight, and that sink in there's kind of a cool modern design there too with that rectangular shaped sink. Also, there's going to be some additional storage in here for if you need pantry or clothing, what have you here. That's going to be all the way through there. These open up, I believe, on here as well. So you've got some storage that's going to be underneath the booth too, you can easily access. As we go back to the second bedroom here, you're going to have a little flip up on bunk here. You got some additional cushions that make into a big queen bed if you need to, I believe. You'll have a nice big bed here. You've got a little ladder for easy access that folds away. And then you've got storage here and 3 drawers inside in this area, and a room for like a little TV set, I believe, that would go right. All the hookups are in here for a TV. It's got the windows. You've got actually a nice big light here, a little vent that will open, a little way to open up that, allow some more vent coming through on those windows. So your second bedroom makes plenty of room for those kids or grandkids. When we go back into the main area, the master bedroom has this area where you can fold this TV to look at it from the master bedroom or the living area here. So it's a nice little folding feature. It works with a DVD player that's all tied to the system. When we look around here, it's a full-size queen bed, and we've got a nice closet on both sides, and then all the storage here. Place to set things to each side of the bed. They are pocket doors instead of curtains to separate that. And as we kind of go around here, I wanted to check one thing. I wasn't sure if this one might be, yep, they're both for closet for actual jackets or shirts. I also like on their monitor panel here, they do have some colors, so if you do leave a light on at night, it's easy to see that. When you come down through here, the steps and the treads and everything, when we get down here, the camera can show we have those on the secondary door there and the main door here too, which makes it nice. Also, the main door has a pre-friction hinge, and so you see that the door will not blow around so much when you're loading and unloading. Makes it real nice. Your patio awning is a nice big large awning. You've got speaker stereo there. You've also got the lights for your LED in that awning, make it real nice for additional accent to it. And then we also have a outside kitchen area. And that makes it real nice as well too. You're going to see the refrigerator, and then you've got a slide out on here, and that would be for your burners that already have hookups from the propane you have in your tank, so it's nice to have that. And you're also going to have the sink here, hot and cold water, your fridge. Looks like a couple of drawers here. And look at all this storage too. It's not nice? So right now this goes all the way up, which is close to a trailer right now, but that will go all the way up and give you more rain and water and sun protection while you're cooking outside. We go around, the spare tire is going to be on the back side. They have a Schwintech power systems they have on the secondary slide out and rack and pinion on your main slide. Heavy duty scissor jacks at all four corners. Is going to have your black tank flush and a little port there for spray. So you're going to have a cold water spray right there that with a little hookup we'll have for quick connect. Satellite and cable hookups as well, separate. Nice tall openings on your areas here for access to that front storage. Makes it nice to have the taller ones to get the bigger coolers and stuff in there. Your power supply cord and your automotive seal type no memory seals make it nice for keeping that dust out and everything. This is for a solar. If you do want to go ahead and have a hookup for solar, that you can take a portable one and then run those batteries charge lines to them. It's really nice. It's already pre-wired for you. You've got a cap over here that runs from this location all the way over to the top. It's all there. It's all painted, which makes it nice for longevity. Some of the infused caps tend to fade after a year or two. You've got a power tongue jack with a light. Another convenience feature, your double tanks with cover and room for 2 batteries down in this front area here. I mentioned accent on your LEDs, make it really nice at night too. A lot of things are happening right now, the interest rates and everything. If you've seen them creep a little bit, it's because things are going good. And right now rates could go up a little bit higher as things get better, and that could mean that if you put it off until next year or the fall, you could have a higher payment. So call now. If you have questions about this trailer or anything else that we carry at Guaranty, it's a good opportunity to call that number you see at the end of this video and ask for me, Tom.Peterson. I'd appreciate an opportunity to meet you and talk with you about this and any of the many products that we have here and have had for over 51 years. So I've been here 28 of those. It's a blast. It's a fun job to have. It's a great opportunity for you guys as consumers. I'm glad you visited our website. I hope that you have questions, and I hope you give me a call and talk with one of us about what you want to know in financing and also where to take this beautiful trailer, because we have a lot of areas that we can tell you. We also have a new RV park that opened up too that we can tell you about. But if you know that you are wanting questions, again, do that. And if you do one thing you want to do for me, and that is take the time to research and to look at all the products that we carry. And when you write down those notes, give me a call. I appreciate it. Remember, at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day. Thanks.